Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and it is for the week of St. Patrick's Day. So I went online and found this really super cute planner, free planners, printable stickers, and it is from returntosenderletters.com. I will put the link for them down below. They actually print out, I think, probably Erin Condren size. I'm not sure, it didn't say, but this was the first one I printed out, so it's a little bit small for a Big Happy Planner. So I printed them again and zoomed them out 115%, and that pretty much filled up the page. But I wanted to show you what they look like before I cut them out. I already cut the ones I'm going to be using, so they were ready to go. But this is how it comes here. Very cute. So I have those. I have some St. Patrick's Day washi. And then I have this washi here. I'm going to use the green and white striped. This was something I'd gotten some Happy Mail. I also have these items here that were from Happy Mail. There's a little rhinestone sticker that says luck. And then I have these little foamies here that are cute. And then this flattened out bottle cap that I also received in some Happy Mail. So I'm going to make that into a paper clip. And then I have my Crate 365 sticker books here that I will pull some stickers from. So that is what I'm going to do. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out super cute. I wasn't bothered by the pink polka dots in the middle, so I didn't cover those. But yeah, I think it really worked. I like the combination with my St. Patrick's Day washi and the green and white striped. It really went along with the two colors of green in the printables. And I love this paper clip. I thought that was super cute. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. go ahead and check the link out for these printables. It'll be down in the description box. And I'll see you again next Monday for another plan with me. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.